We have to talk about our rights. Stop talking pragmatism only. No, it's not about security. It's about this is our home. And I can... We followed a faulty strategy for the past several decades, and unfortunately a few years ago with the Bar Ilan speech. And I have to explain. Some people feel the Bar Ilan speech was very smart because it bought us time, etc. No. When you effectively say, this land belongs to different people, but we have security needs, that claim will hold for a month, a year, but it erodes. Ultimately, people say, well, if it's their land, why are you building there? That's inconsistent. Ultimately, in the short term, security works. In the long term, it doesn't. And let's be honest with ourselves. Are we in Israel just because of security? Is Israel really the most secure place on earth? What about Perth, Australia? Teaneck, New Jersey, right? Hey, calm down with Teaneck there. So is it really all about security? No. It's something more simple. It's our home. And it's that simple. And time and again, how can we expect the world to justify and fight for us if we don't make the basic claim? So I know it's tough, but I do it day in, day out with ministers from all around the world. We have an amazing meeting about education, innovation, chevruta, startup, what you do there, the army, this, that. Usually it doesn't come up, but sometimes, rarely, they'll say, what about the Palestinian state? And then I look them in the eye and say, listen, this has been our home for 3,800 years. How long do you live in your country? Now, we're cognizant of the fact that there are 1.8 or 2 million Arabs in Judea and Samaria. They need a solution. They need, I believe in an autonomy, and we should talk. There is a lot about to talk. We don't want to govern them. So we're not in La La Land. We're in the real world. But it starts from, it's our home, now let's talk. And I believe that if we're persistent and clear about that, ultimately the world will respect us. Because the world respects a nation that respects itself.